out to my review of Wonder Woman. Alright, so no spoilers. I'll try not to. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so first off, this movie is like all of the DCEU so far combined. It's like the best one we've seen so far, right? It's all the previous movies combined, and it like rises above all the rest. No questions about it. Like this is like the second or third longest of it so far, and during watching it, I wondered, oh wow, like the Suicide Squad, I was like, more to go. Okay, all right. Alex Suicide wasn't that bad, but like it's just a chore to get through to pick out the little good parts. This this one, yeah, good parts galore. Let's talk about Gal Gadot. Powerful performance as a Wonder Woman. She like displayed that naivety that comes with not having experienced the world of men.
You're a man.
Yeah. I mean, do I not look like one?
And like she's very believable as this fish out of water in like 1910s London and wider Europe. And she also displays cunning ability in those action sequences as we saw previously in Dawn of Justice. Her previous training in the IDF, it shines through here. She doesn't look big and tough, but that's not the important part here because Wonder Woman, in all of the previous incarnations of the character, has never been like this big, muscle-bound woman. She just blessed with godlike strength, So any complaints about that are like unfounded and stupid. And supporting characters, they do a serviceable job. I like them. The Scotsman and the Scotsman and the Fast Apple, those were my favorites of the supporting characters. And yeah, everyone else stuff. I had no problems with them. As a previously talked about action with her before, but let's delve into it now. Pretty good, I had no complaints there. Scenes were visually compelling. There was something like there was a few fast cuts, but nothing distracting. No shaky cam, and very well done, well choreographed. With their cheers in the audience, and it's like because of how breathtaking they were doing with that. CGI, some of it was a little bit patchy, but overall didn't detract from the action. So we're not getting too much away. It's that Wonder Woman is meant to get some trailers. Wonder Woman is she's transported from Themyscira to the wider world during World War One, the war to end all wars. That was untrue. And we see her struggle through to find who Iris is and then what his role is in the war and like how she impacts the entire thing, And no complaints. Standard fare. Nothing brilliant there, but there were some nice character moments that was borne out by the great acting by the actors, and yeah, you're gonna love those movies when you see them. When you see them, you know them. Alright, so I definitely recommend this if you're like a fan of women, of movies, of comic books, of people being awesome. Watch this movie. You will like it at the very least. If you hate it, then I don't know what to tell you. Alright? You need help. Okay? Alright, so this is me signing out. Bye.